Ogai Madul mochung'ne okinde pacho ka Faith Odhiambo okwedo sand ma japuonjre ma jahigni 17 nokale e lwet obila ma Narok South kichich ni notudore gi weche mag njore. Kane oloso kod jofwambo e osiptal ma Narok kama ne olime rawerano kod min gi Faith nokwedo tim makamano ka bende nochwalo duonde mondo mi familia mar rawerano omi ratichgi. Bende otiyo gi thuolono e wacho ni en kod jowetene gitiyo matek e neno ni Bob Njagi kod Nicholas Oyo mawachore ni nomaki e piny Uganda owe thuolo kendo ka dipo ni negi ketho chik moro amora to donjnegi e yo mowinjore.
Law Society, we condemn that with the strongest terms. The constitution that we have today ensures and envisages that we have the right of innocence, right to a free and fair trial, irrespective of the fact that he may or may not have committed a criminal offense. He ought to be tried in a fair process, that he's able to plead his case without any duress, and that he's able to get representation for his case. He was still a minor, he had not turned 18 by the time he was presented to court, by the time he pleaded, and we do not understand even the circumstances in which it could not even be seen or questioned how he could not walk properly when he was presented in court. And so we condemn that as well in the strongest terms, because when we turn a blind eye is when we continue to see injustice permeate in our legal system.